Action.
I've cleaned up my kitchen, have you? I hope so. I hope you were a big help. But now comes the big moment when we can take, with pot holders and probably the help of a grown-up nearby, take the pizza out. Look at that fabulous thing. Always important to turn the oven off. All right, so this is very hot, of course, so letting it cool for a few minutes is a great idea. But you can see that in 400 degrees, the crust around the edges got nice and brown, and our veggies cooked, and our cheese melted, and oh, it just smells so good. Does yours smell wonderful? I hope so. I know it's going to be delicious. So I'm just wondering, what will happen? Oh, you know what? I have a pizza cutter, and I'm sure you do too. In fact, I think I have 4 pizza cutters, so why don't you go ahead and use your pizza cutter instead of a knife. But a knife will do for me. Oh boy, that looks really amazing. Look at that. So that's just got to get a little bit cooler before I eat it. But you know, before we eat, it's always so important for us to say, thanks to the farmers, thanks to the sun, thanks to the rain, thanks to the cows, thanks to the bees, and thanks to the cooks. So you were the cook today, maybe with a helper, but you know what? Every single day, somebody is probably making something delicious for you, and there's a couple things that you can say to those wonderful, special people in your house. How can I help you? Because that way you learn how to cook every single day, whatever's being made. And the other thing is to say thanks to the cooks, right? Whoever is cooking every single day, make sure to thank them. So, always make sure to, before you leave the kitchen, turn the light out and enjoy your pizza.